Tonight, at just a month old, this little guy will fly up to 100 miles in search of food on his very first flight. As evening falls, the bats start to leave. They'll get more time to feed by heading out early, but leaving their sanctuary in daylight is a gamble. There's danger from above, a Swainson's hawk, and even greater danger from below. Cactus spines snag the inexperienced pups, making them an easy target. Coach whip snakes. Their large eyes mark them out as visual hunters. Non-venomous, they rely on dagger-sharp teeth to catch their prey. And if a bat makes a run for it, it stands no chance against the fastest snake in North America. Despite the danger, every bat has to head out sometime or starve. His only chance is to climb quickly to somewhere he can relaunch. Sometimes you just need a bit of luck. This young bat's cleared the most dangerous hurdle on his path to adulthood.